In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mockup template in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their design presentations and showcase their products or ideas more professionally. Whether you're a small business owner or a graphic designer, Canva makes it incredibly easy to design stunning mockups. So let's dive right in. To begin, open Canva and start a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your mockup. The first step is to click on the Uploads button on the left side of your screen. This is where you can upload any images you plan to use. If you're creating a product mockup, such as apparel or digital downloads, make sure you have high quality images ready. Drag and drop your image into Canva to begin working with it. Once your image is uploaded, click on it to bring it into your workspace. You can now adjust the size, reposition it, and place it exactly where it fits best within your design. When the image is selected, look at the top bar and click on Edit. This allows you to make adjustments such as cropping, brightening, or applying filters to enhance the overall look of your mockup. Next, go to the Elements tab and type in Mockups. Canva offers a wide selection of mockup templates tailored for different categories. You'll find templates for tech devices, stationery, apparel, packaging, and more. Choosing the right mockup style is important because it sets a visual tone for how your audience will perceive your design. For this example, select apparel, which is perfect for showcasing t-shirt graphics, hoodie designs, and related items. Browse through the available templates and choose the one that best fits your brand or project. Once selected, click on it and the mockup will instantly appear on your canvas, ready for customization. From here, you can fine-tune every detail. Adjust your image placement so it sits naturally within the mockup. Try experimenting with transparency, shadows, or color correction to make the design feel more realistic. You can even add text, graphics, labels, or logos to complete the presentation. Canva's flexibility makes it easy to test multiple looks until you find the perfect combination. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom mockup template in Canva. This simple process helps you present your ideas in a visually compelling and professional way, making your designs more appealing to clients, customers, or social media viewers. The more you explore Canva's tools, the more polished and creative your mockups will become. Happy designing!